Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Acadia SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9488B. 56,000 miles on this local trade. Quicksilver metallic in color. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. This is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.